Are you finding an indicator will show you the short-term trend of each of the stock trading or even forex trading? So in this video, I'm going to show you using MACD histogram to trade any reversal or even indicate any new trend. So I will show you each of the definition and setting of this histogram. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, at this area, it shows a reversal of trend, and it definitely will go up as top here, and each of the reversal will show reversal of trend so that you can make a short-term trade using the indicator. So let's start. First of all, in today's video, we are going to go through MACD histogram by hash 1988, and later we will take a few points for stimulation study and educational purpose, and we will determine the profit and loss for each of the point. And lastly, as summary, if the risk reward ratio is more than 1, so we can plan our trade as the reward is higher compared to the risk. So we need to obey and be disciplined using risk reward projection, cut loss when necessary, and take profit when necessary. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. So in MACD histogram, first, as you can see, let me plot it up. The definition, first we can see bullish divergence and also bearish divergence. So when the graph is going as higher low, as you can see, the price varies with the histogram. So for example, when bullish means that the price will go lower low, while the MACD will go higher high. So basically, this will means that the momentum is changing to reversal bullish. So you need to know this definition. You need to know when the price is going for a higher high and the MACD is going for a lower low. So basically, this means that momentum is gonna be bearish. So you need to know these two indicators. And also, when each of the point have any reversal from red to green, means that it will turn in a reversal based on the histogram. So basically, when this means the short term price is turned bullish compared to the moving average, while for bearish means that the short term price is turning bearish compared to the moving average. So basically, you can find out the definition of MACD histogram before planning your trade. So later we will plan our trade based on risk reward ratio, and we will find out for each stimulation trial run. So first of all, we can find a point. So example for this point, as you can see, it has a reversal turning out. So basically, it indicates this point will have a reversal in trend based on the histogram. So you can basically this point. So if you want to plan a trade, it will be turning from bullish into bearish. We will definitely plan a short trade, and this will be our short position. So if our short position will take the nearest, as you can see, the nearest point that hit the support or resistance, this will be our intermediate support and resistance. And for our cut loss, we will set for long position at 8.5, and the total of risk reward ratio for a short position will be 3.24. So basically, we will take more reward compared to the risk in our short position when we found any reversal in the graph as shown in the graph. We are finding for intermediate backlog strategy as we refer to the previous chart for our strategize and for our input. So this is our first point that we can study out, and we will find out a few more points. So for example, at this point it turns from bearish into bullish. So basically we can plot this area. So basically this area will be our point. So basically this area will be our point to start our stimulation. So first, from red into green means from bearish into bullish in short-term momentum trade. So basically you can just plan for a long position at this area. So we will take past intermediate, and also we can set for our here. So risk reward ratio 1.76 means that we can make more reward compared to our risk based on our strategy. And also in the graph it shows that it will have a reversal, and we can plan our trade based on any of the reversal. You also can use a bullish divergence, bearish divergence to have a reference based on the graph. Besides, you also can find out and have a setting. For example, you want to set for your graph, you can just go to your graph and press for setting, and you can set for the input for the graph. For example, you want to have more short-term trade, you can set this have a more short-term trade based on your time frame. So basically you can set based on your time frame, and you can customize, stimulate out based on your trading. And also you can find out for the description of MACD by going to about this script, and you can find out the definition and the setting script of this indicator. Yeah, basically that's all how you can use MACD to plan your trade. Make sure that you backtest your trading strategy first. You can use paper trading to backtest your paper trading, and also you need to stay disciplined for your strategy and also for your cut loss and take profit point. So yeah, basically this is how you can use MACD to plan your trade. Thank you.